After the configuration and installation are complete, we can walk through the user's guide for Agent Assist. The setup for the recommendation and chat agent assisting is now finished, and it has been successfully installed and joined with the Salesforce case. In Agent Assist, there are two main sections, recommendation and chat. In the recommendation section, you will find the case summary. In this case, we can see the subject, the description, and the field items provided by the customer and the agent. The case summary is generated by summarizing the overall context of the case itself. During configuration, whatever selected fields are included in the recommendation are passed to the AI to generate the case summary. The case summary is generated to include a description of what the case is about, the exact issue the customer is facing, the action taken, the conversation between the agent and the customer, the next action plan for the customer or the agent, and the recommendation. It also provides recommendations to help the agent guide the customer further. You can also see the last update, showing when it was most recently updated. All of these sections are available in the case summary, and together they summarize the overall context from the case itself. There is also a refresh option. The refresh policy is it automatically gets refreshes after 24 hours. If the agent needs an immediate refresh, they can click the refresh button to manually refresh it. There is also a copy option, so the agent can easily copy this content and paste it wherever needed for convenience. That covers the case summary part. The second feature is AI Answer. For AI Answer, based on whatever context is available in the case, one refined query is generated. That query is then triggered in the mapped AI agent. As shown here, the mapped AI agent is IT Support Workday. This AI agent triggers the knowledge source and returns an answer based on the knowledge source configured for that respective AI agent. As you can see, it has provided answers and suggested fixes, including errors, authentication, data integration, and automation. It also shows the sources from which that knowledge was fetched. This is the AI answer part. In the same area, we also have relevant sources. Relevant sources means similar sources for this case that the agent can review to understand the exact issue and check whether there are resolution steps or any feedback related to getting the issue resolved. These relevant sources can include some knowledge base entries, as well as some cases. Here, it has provided existing cases and relevant knowledge articles that were given to the AI agent during configuration. These are the relevant sources. Next is KB generation. As shown here, it has generated the knowledge blocks as well. Based on the issue the customer is facing, and using all of this context, it generates knowledge blocks that help the agent understand exactly what the issue is and get a detailed description of the issue in a fraction of seconds. This can be used as the knowledge source, or it can be used for answering the query of the respective customer. These are the major features of Agent Assist: case summary generation, AI answer, relevant sources, and KB generation. We have the same capability for Jira itself. Here as well, it will generate the case summary, AI answer, and KB generation. This can also be used by the agent to answer the query of the respective customer, whatever issues they are facing. Additionally, we have the chat section. In the chat section, there are different options. We have conversation starter, question, context, and customer context. Conversation starter is mostly generated to provide additional queries that the agent can use to answer the respective problem of the customer. If we use this query, it will return an answer from the mapped knowledge source. It uses the already indexed data to answer the query. As you can see, it has answered the submission error item. It has provided a useful answer that the agent can use when responding to the customer's query. This is intended for agent use. As shown here, we can also have the same chat section in Jira, and similarly, we can have it for ServiceNow. So, this is the major use case for Agent Assist. Thank you.